Hi, Scott with United Rentals here. Today I'd like to talk to you about a Takeuchi TB235 compact excavator. The unit in front of me is a 2014 TB235. It's got the 12-inch rubber track on it. It's got the plow on the front and currently has a 12-inch bucket on it. We can do up to a 24-inch bucket if requested. It currently has 1,224 hours on it. It's a 7,500 pound machine. It's got 9,100 pounds of bucket force and 3,800 pounds of digging force. It's got foot and hand controls, and the joysticks are all in good condition. The unit has been maintained in between each rental, and sale price today is $27,200. Fair market value is $32,000. So a good value for you as well. If you'd like, I'd start it up for you and you can hear it run. As I said, it's got the foot control and the hand control, joysticks, bucket movements, plow movements, forward, If you are interested, please give us a call at 414-769-1099. And thanks for choosing United Rentals.